In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can get your DoorDash promo code in 2025. A DoorDash promo code is important because it helps users save money on food delivery by offering discounts, free delivery, or cashback rewards. To get your DoorDash promo code this year, simply head to the Safari browser. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in DoorDash promo code 2025. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will have to choose a legit website. Just like this website that has 50% off for any purchase you make. Tap into that exact website. Go ahead and choose any coupon code you want. When the coupon is generated, you will have to just copy the code to clipboard and head to your DoorDash app. You can also tap right here to redeem directly to the official DoorDash website. All you need to do is just paste in the coupon code before making any payment. On the payment page, double-check down if your coupon is accepted and approved before proceeding. Well, that's how easy it is to get your DoorDash promo code in 2025.